Welcome to the ARIA Review channel. Here you will get to see our daily journey to our destination. Our goal is to inspire you to have a wonderful day every day.
I am open to the blessings this new year brings me. I embrace each day with renewed energy. I welcome each day with renewed optimism. I am thankful to enter this year stronger. My heart is full of gratitude for the endless possibilities ahead of me. I am committed to my personal growth. My positive affirmations will set the tone for a beautiful year. I am surrounded by love. Everything is right in my world. I acknowledge my progress with gratitude. I am looking forward to making more progress in my life. I am a positive force in my life. My spirit is undeterred by challenges. Today I choose joy over worry. Today I choose peace in my life. I trust in my journey. I know that I am exactly where I need to be. I am the architect of my life. I choose the foundation and the contents of my life. Each day I am overflowing with energy. Each day I am filled with happiness. Abundance surrounds me always. I am well taken care of in my life. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I am resilient in all of my endeavors. I am grateful for the growth that each new year promises. I am strong in all of my endeavors. I am brave in all of my endeavors. I am focused on my goals. I am passionate about my future. I attract positivity always. I know that happiness is my chosen reality. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. I am unbreakable. My nature is divine. I am a beautiful spiritual being. Today I wake up with strength in my heart. Today I wake up with clarity in my mind. I am deeply grateful to God for the gift of this new year. Thank you, universe, for the fresh start and endless possibilities this month holds. I am empowered, and every day fear melts away from me. My life is filled with prosperity. Everything that I need is within reach. I celebrate myself today. I am worthy of my dreams. I am open to the blessings that each day brings me. Today I claim my power.